Hello, my name is Mark. In this segment we're going to cover how to make your car smell good. Now, what smells good is entirely up to you, but there's just literally hundreds of products out and available on the market for interior automotive smells. And these can be found at your local auto parts stores, general discount stores, stuff of that nature. And they usually have a dedicated rack. There's so many different products and so many different smells available. It's just absolutely mind-boggling. You should have no problem finding something that smells good to you. There's several different ways that this can be applied. They have the older style scented trees that you simply cut out a small portion of the package and pull them out slowly and left inside the car, anywhere you would get some air circulation. These will change the smell to the new car smell or whatever smell that they're scented to. These can be hung from a rear view mirror. You want to put them somewhere where they're going to get some circulation. A lot of people think that's tacky. You can mount them down below, up underneath where your vents come out, underneath the dash in the back. There are several places they can be hung from down there. That way they're out of sight. They still get a good airflow and you'll get a good even smell. There's other products that just adhere or stick onto your dashboard. Some of them clip into the vents, so as you're using the heating and cooling system in your vehicle, it forces air through the air freshener. There's just a lot of different products available that will help you with your car smell. You can use a home product like Febreeze, just spray it onto the carpets, or you have cloth upholstery, you can just spray it around on the seats, and that works really good as well. These are just some of the ways that you can change your car smell and make your car smell good.